Hi my respected friends, today is the video of Omillionaire draw, next draw, that is last draw of the month, which is drawing on 29th September 2022. I have most favorite numbers for you for this draw. Friends, these are the last draw of the month results of Omillionaire lottery. When this lottery was started, this is the first last draw of the month, 26th May 2022. Then 30th June 2022, then 28th July, 25 August, and now 29th September 2022. Friends, according to this, I will give you most favorite numbers. I write here most favorite numbers. I educate many times the home figure technique. The new viewers also visit my videos and see what is home figure technique. This is the actual number, you can see 1. I am writing here the most favorite numbers, and one home figure is 6. This is actual number and this is home number. One home figure is 6. Then 21. Home figure is 26. One home figure is 6. Okay. 11. One home figure again 6, that is 16. Then 14. Four home figure is 9, that is 19. Then 23. 3 home figure is 8, that is 28. Then 30. 0 home figure is 5, that is 35. Friends, these 12 numbers, most favorite numbers for our upcoming draw of Omillionaire lottery. If you look at carefully in past results, you can easily understand. In first draw, you can see from these numbers, the one number came, and 26. And third one is, you can see here 35. 3 numbers came from these 12 numbers in first last draw of the month. Then in second draw, you can see again 6 number came. Then 19, 21 and 28. 4 numbers came, you can see here from 12 numbers, 6, 19, 21 and 28. In third draw, again 6 number came, then 11, 16, again you can see 19 number came, 28 again, and the 30. You can see this is the jackpot draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers came from these numbers. And this is the last draw of the month, August draw. Again you can see one number came from here, then 6, 23, 3 numbers came again. In August you can see from these numbers. Now this is our next draw, last draw of the month, September. Friends, these are the most favorite numbers for this draw. You can select from here 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers or 6 numbers. Any numbers you like from here. Or if you don't like, you can select other numbers from these 4 draws, last draw of the month. You can also select, if you don't like these numbers, you can also select these remaining numbers like 2, 27, 44, 39. These are the best numbers attracting the last draw of the month. And one most important, in last, you can see in first draw the big number came. In first draw, last draw of the month, you can see 44. After that, in 3 draws, the number was not came from these big numbers, 40, 41, 42, 43 and 44. You can see only one number came in first draw, so it has less chance to come the numbers from these numbers. Less chances. If you want to select the big number from 40 to 44, then this number is best, 44, or again the 41 number can repeat from previous result. But according to the past history, you can see these numbers has less chances to come. These are the most favorite numbers. Last many friends approaching me through email for membership. I already gave many times my WhatsApp number 7364769 for membership. Any who want to membership, you can contact on this number. Okay friends, so good luck to all and wait for my next prediction for Mahzooz draw and other lotteries. Goodbye.